Good evening, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed, and it's evening because I have stuff to do tomorrow from morning until about 1 p.m. And I have a few things to ship, so I want to go ahead and record this now rather than wait till tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show y'all some sales first, and I may pick up some more sales tonight. I hope I do anyways. While I'm sleeping, I usually do. So we're looking at about 15, 16 hours of sales. Not a full 24 hours here. So let's get started. On my second account, first of all, I sold these two Eagle Moss Automobilia, Batman Automobilia Batmobiles. Each one of these sold for $14.99 plus shipping on top. And let me pull up the other account. Okay, it's been quite a day. Like, I clicked away from the first account for 5 minutes just to pull these two things here. And it took me 3-4 minutes to find these, set them down right here, log back into the other account. And by the time I logged into the other account, I had sold 2 more things. That's magic. It was a really good day in sales today so far, and it's not over yet. Lots of like $20 level stuff, $15, $20, $25 level kind of stuff. So let's take a look at everything that's sold. First, I sold this Panasonic DVD player. It's got the remote back here. I had to pull, I think I gotta see if I advertised it with the AV cables or not. I did. So I had to pull the AV cables. That's why I always like to pick them up whenever I see them out there. I got $19.99 plus shipping on top for this. And I don't even, I'll have to look it up. But I want to say it was part of a deal where I bought a couple other pieces. Probably wouldn't have bought this on its own. I also need to dust it off a little bit. It's the first time I had any dust back here. This aisle right here gets a little dusty. This other aisle doesn't. I'm sure it has something to do with the airflow. But yeah, $19.99 plus shipping on top. And my goodness, they paid a lot of shipping. They paid like $35 to ship this thing. Where is it going? Sorry guys, I just saw the shipping. It's crazy. Oh, it's going to Puerto Rico. Huh. Okay. No, I'm sorry. They paid $25 to ship this. That makes sense. All right. And I mean, it's going to go priority because to Puerto Rico, really no other way to go. FedEx ain't going to be any cheaper, that's for sure. So anyway, sorry. I didn't realize how much they had paid for the shipping. Kind of caught me off guard because it's not that big of a thing. So the next thing is this Microsoft Flight Simulator X or 10, whatever it is, $14.99 plus shipping on top. If you have gold version or deluxe version, you can actually get more money for this. Just make sure whenever you go to list it, inside of the case there's like a 25-digit code. Make sure you cover that up so nobody steals it from you. The next thing is this Joker, black and white Joker little statue thing. $33.24 plus shipping on top for that. And this is a Wiggling Hula Girl vintage. I don't know how old it is. Maybe 70s. It could be 70s. I think it probably is 70s. Anacona, Hawaii. Anyway, I made a little video just showing it work, just for fun, because I mean it wasn't a real expensive thing or anything like that. But $14.99 plus shipping on top, going out to a viewer, Joseph. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let me go read their message real quick. Finally found the message. All right, thank you very much again. I really do appreciate it. I think that was Joseph that bought that. Man, I get a lot of messages every day. I get so many messages. Oh man, I am not good at keeping up with messages, emails, etc. I don't know It's just too much sometimes, honestly. Whew. Okay, so anyway, thanks a lot, Joseph. I really appreciate it. And let's see, next is a Looney Tunes basketball game right here. This is going out to a viewer also. This is going out to Devon, or Devin. Probably Devin. Devin, thanks so much. Devin says he listens every day or watches every day while working out. So thanks a bunch, man. This lot of art magazines sold for $22.79 plus shipping on top. They're going pretty far, and they were a little too big for medium flat rate. So I ended up using Regional Box B for the magazines. The shipping on this is like $14. So I'll see if I can do anything else, but I think that's just gonna have to ship them in this box. Anyway, I paid $1 for these magazines. I remember it's been a while, and I always advocate buying interesting lots of magazines for cheap at garage and estate sales. I've always done pretty well with them. Sometimes they can take a while, but they've always sold, as long as you don't buy something real common, you know, or something that there's a lot of on eBay already. So yeah, $1 into $22.79 plus shipping on top there. Sold this lot of 9 PS3 games. They're all pretty common. They all go for about $5 or less in some cases. $19.99 plus shipping on top for those. Took a best offer on this handgun cleaning kit. I paid $1 for this in a gun store buy I did. Man, I bought a bunch of pieces last year and made really good money on all this stuff. This is one of the things I still had around. I took an offer of $11.99 plus shipping on top for this. Gotta scroll up. Okay, this is going out to Michael. Michael, thank you so much. He bought it for $14.99 plus shipping on top. I just showed shipping one of these yesterday. And speaking of that, yesterday I showed shipping one. The one that I showed shipping, they sent me a message later saying that they are a viewer. So I wanted to go ahead and read that message real quick. All right, like I said, this one's going out to Michael. Thank you, Michael. And the other one I sent out yesterday went out to, well, they have a YouTube channel called Roan Oasis Vegas Hunters. I'll put a picture of it there. Haven't had a chance to watch any of the videos yet. They just started the videos, so best of luck with your YouTube channel, and thanks again for the business. I appreciate it. All right, so the next thing up is this Alaska Ulu chopping bowl set. I bought this brand new at a yard sale for $5 a couple of months back and sold it to a viewer. Lots of viewer sales today. That's awesome. Sold this to a viewer named Ryan. I'm not going to say anything else because the person he's giving it to might be watching. I probably already said too much. But Ryan bought this. He also bought these flutter shad like artificial bait kit thing. I have to pick that up in the morning for my storage unit. That's one of the few things I still have there, so I will pick that up in the morning. Thanks a bunch, Ryan, for the for buying the stuff. I hope y'all enjoy it. All right, I'm always selling cards. This is a set of Outer Limits cards. I sold these for $6.99 plus shipping on top, and I think that covers everything that I pulled. I have 2 more things I need to go grab. All right, last 2 things I pulled. This Batman Black and White series statue by Brian Boland. He was the artist or whatever, designer. $28.49 plus shipping on top for that. And then finally, last thing is, yep, Jolly Rogers. F-14, F-14A Tomcat. Jolly Rogers has got it on the tail wing there. This sold for $56.99 plus shipping on top. This is going out to Ryan. Ryan, thank you so much. Really appreciate the business, and I appreciate the really nice note that you sent me. So yeah, look, this is everything that's going out tomorrow so far. That's a lot of stuff. That's like a shelf of stuff there. which is really cool because I'm trying to put even more stuff back on the shelves and buy more stuff and, you know, list more stuff. So yeah, that was awesome. Lots of viewer sales in there. I must have had, let's see what's going out to viewers out of this stuff. This, that, that, this, and that's it. Yeah, this pile out of all that stuff is from viewers. So thank y'all very much. Really do appreciate it. Let's do a few questions. There was one about, okay, this is from Stony Creek Picker, talking about simple export rates. Saying they're gonna try it. I'm set up to offer. The risk is minimal. Also, can you bulk edit your listings? I have about 250 to include the new shipping rates, or do you have to do them individually? That's a really good question. I haven't actually gone through and bulk edited mine. Now, the problem that you're going to run into is that it's flat shipping. So it's not like you can just add it and then it's calculated. You have to actually punch in the numbers. So I guess you could bulk edit if you somehow knew, if you could somehow sort by weight, then you can maybe bulk edit. But no, it's going to have to be a one at a time thing, unfortunately, because some things are going to be a pound, some are going to be 2, 3, 4. So yeah, who can think of a good way to bulk edit flat rate international shipping costs? I can't think of one. I don't know. I didn't do it. I'm just adding it to new listings and leaving the old ones alone for now. Okay, here's a question from Default Name. How do you ship pennants? So I actually sold some pennants, but they're probably going to ship tomorrow. I need to send the invoice. But those, I sold like a lot of pennants, so it's going to be priority. What I'm going to do with those, I'm just going to take like 2 priority boxes and put the pennants in the middle and tape it up. And I'll probably wrap the pennants in some bubbles or bag them up or something. I'll probably put them in a bag, like a garbage bag, just for some moisture protection. Then put them in between 2 boxes, tape them together, and then ship them out. If you're doing one pennant, you could probably get away with first class package on that and do the same thing. Just put it in between 2 pieces of cardboard. That's the way I'm going to do it. Or I guess you could roll them, but I'm not going to do that. All right, Crystal Crespo asks, when you take packages to the post office, do you wait for the receipt? I don't. The only time I do wait for a receipt is if I'm shipping something really expensive, and typically that's going to be via FedEx. A lot of times I'll wait for a receipt then. But no, I don't wait for a receipt. It would probably take me an extra 5 minutes a day if I wanted to wait for all the scans. Actually, it'd probably take longer than that, because then they'd have to beep them all in, print up the thing. I don't know. It'd probably be an extra 30 minutes a week if I did that. That would work out to what? 30 minutes a week. Well, that's like 25 hours a year or something. So to me, that's not worth it, because I've never had a problem with just leaving them on the counter. If you're in I'm not telling you what you should do, because maybe you're in a situation where you find they don't scan your packages, and you're having, problems hitting your metrics. If that's the case, then maybe you do wait for the scan. I don't. In my situation, I think it's a waste of time. Here's one I meant to talk about the other day from Whipat. Hey, Lon, did you see now in the eBay branded supply store, they now have eBay branded record shippers like the white ones you have? I did not. Let's go take a look. Okay, I'm in the little eBay thing, and this says new product. So yeah, that's what this is. These are 12.5 by 12.5 flat adjustable. It looks like they actually have more like perforations or fold points than the ones I have. So those are, yeah, look on the sides too. So these are extremely adjustable. I wonder if they're bigger than the ones I have. 2 inches max or a 1/2 inch men using score marks. Well, that's cool. I wonder how much they cost now. 50 of them are $47.51. That's about what I'm paying for 100. I think I pay right at 50 bucks for 100 currently. But you expect to pay more for the eBay stuff. That's just the way it goes. The other thing, they have these little boxes here, 444. Yeah, these I have boxes like these. Those are crush proof. Those are extremely strong. Their price is kind of high on those, but you expect you're gonna pay a bunch for this stuff. So that's interesting. It's cool to see they have some new shipping products here. They should have plenty of variety. Like, how hard can it be? Whoever has this contract, if they're actually getting this money that we're seeing here, they're making a ton, especially on the stickers and the papers and all that. Man, they are killing it. But yeah, anyways, I will see y'all again soon. I don't know, did I talk about, no, we didn't do momentum board yet. I've got a little momentum going. Those are my bad days there. And I came back with 542 and 322. Today I'm gonna try and get a few listings up, but yeah, we had to go to a funeral today. I was at a funeral all day till about 1, then I had to come back and pack orders, and then I had to bring my daughter somewhere, so I haven't done any listing yet, just fulfilling orders and stuff. I'm gonna try and put some kind of number up here. But yesterday I did 13 for 322. We're on day 33. 17,096 in listings. I've got 14,904 left to go. I have to average $317 a day for 47 days. So when it comes to listing, board don't lie. Board don't lie, y'all. So that's why I like having this board. It holds me accountable on those days when I'm not feeling it. So I want to put a number up there. Like this day, even though it was kind of unavoidable, it didn't feel good. So take care, y'all. Hope y'all are selling a bunch. Oh, there was also a question. There's a question about the item specifics glitch or something like that. It hasn't affected me at all. Like zero effect on that glitch. At least none that I know of. But I'm also not a clothing seller. I heard it was like a clothing seller kind of deal. So I don't know. Now what I have seen is a big time glitch on the sales, on the sales graph. I know for a fact I sold like $400 yesterday, and it's showing $133. Last 7-day number is everything's off on that graph. So I don't know if anybody else is experiencing that or not, but I am. Seems like their whole site is a little sketchy right now. So hopefully they'll get that figured out. Anyways, I will see y'all again soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.